This conference will now be recorded.
So last class we have discussed, means yesterday class we have discussed about the presentations, like what is SAP, introductions to SAP, SAP landscape, okay, SAP architectures. We have done with the. So I'm going to start from the SAP logo. So difference between architectures and landscape also we have done. Okay. So next one we are going to start presentations layer and discuss applications, database, and 3-tier architectures also we have done. Now from these slides we are going to do. So SAP logon process. Everyone has joined the session. So what is SAP logon process? The SAP logon is a Windows program which you use to log on to the SAP systems on your Windows PC. It mediates between the SAP systems and the SAP GUI user interface. The SAP logon displays a list of available SAP systems and automatically selects servers with the best current response time. Okay, so today I am going to show you how to open the software, how to log on, all this. Okay, let's start with the how to open the software, then we'll come to the enterprise structure. Okay, so this is the software students VMware workstation. So how many students has installed today SAP software? How many students has got it installed today? Aishwarya, okay. Okay, so no issues. You can get it installed by tomorrow. One more day is there, and tomorrow is the last maybe, but you have to install the software anyhow by tomorrow. Okay, so let's start with our how to open the software, how to log on procedure. I'm going to show you that. See this is the VMware workstations. Double click on the software and click on the resume this virtual machine. Students, you can make a note how to open the software. So first you double click on the software, you will get the screen. Okay, after this you have to resume this virtual machine. Okay, so double click on the software, resume this virtual machine, click on this resume, and it is getting restoring the virtual machine. Okay, So this is the screen is displaying here. This is called SAP Easy Access Screen. This already has been set. You need not to change any password, all these things. So we are on the SAP Easy Access screen. This is called as a T code bar. T code means transactions code. Okay, and this is your menu bar. This is the when you will take the cursor, you will get one menu bar like file, edit, all these things. In this, you need not to do any changes. You have the options called suspend this guest. Once you have completed your task, you have to come to the SAP Easy Access screen. Then you need to do suspend the guest. Now I'll show you today 2 times, 3 times on and off. So suspend this guest. Please step by step you can write the things. Step 1, first open the software by double clicking. Then click the resume virtual machine. Okay. Then in the T code bar we can type SPRO. You can see on the screen now. Then you have to click on SAP reference IMG. Then click on enterprise structures. This is what we are doing to work on this. Okay. Today I'll teach you how to create a company, but first I'll tell you how to work on this. So once you have worked on this, you have to close this. Okay. And this is the screen. This is called back button. This is your exit, and this is the cancel button. Apart from this, you need not to use other buttons here. So you have to click on back. Again, one step back. Now this is the first screen of the SAP. So here we have this options. Here you can see suspend the guest. You need not to shut down. You need not to restart. Power on, power off you don't do because it will ask you the longer procedure. Admin sir is already set, I think, so you need to suspend the guest. Okay, so suspend the guest and you have to close this things. So anyone has any doubts in this? Please feel free to ask because this software, if you click, yes, Disha, any doubts you have?
Can
Unmute
you repeat the
yourself.
ma'am, can you
Yes,
repeat the
yes,
process in
yes.
details?
I am going
Ma'am,
to
repeat
once
the
again.
process, ma'am.
Yes, I'm going to repeat once again. See this. This is the software VMware Workstation. Just double click on this. Okay, you will get the screen. So what is that? Your memory 3.5 GB processor. These are the system device properties displaying. You need not to click any other play students. Just you have to click on resume this virtual machine. If you note down, it will be easy for you to open. Double click on the software. Resume this virtual machine. Okay. Everyone getting this? Screen is visible. Student screen is visible. Reply once.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So click on this resume this virtual machine. Once you click on this resume this virtual machine, it will open. Okay. So VMware workstations is getting loaded. Once it's getting loaded, directly you will get screen. Okay. Your other options, other things you need not to do anything, touch any experiment, don't do. And here we have to click on the T code bar. So this is called transactions code bar. Okay. In this how to work, it will be after 10 classes I'll be telling you. But first task we have to do here today, T code bar. In the T code bar you have to type SPRO. Okay, and this is your enter button. Okay, so once you will type SPRO, you can press enter from the keyboard. Okay, Then you will get SAP Easy Access. This is your execute project. So customizing execute project, and here you have to click on SAP reference IMG. So that is SAP reference IMG. I'll not proceed. First you make a note, then I'll proceed on that.
Ma'am, can you please repeat once again?
Are you in the screen? Anyone is using the software now?
Yes, ma'am. I just reached home.
Okay, you have just reached. Okay, I'll show you once again because today is very important class. How to open the software, how to work on this. Okay, no issues today. Let's get all ready. I'll show you once again. Don't have that options. Don't create new virtual machine. Don't create on anything. You have to click on just virtual machines. Do not create anything. This software will get locked. Then you need to come to the center to get it installed. So don't do any creations or anything. I'm telling you, just you have to double click on the software. You have to resume the virtual machine. You should not open or create. Okay, very clean instruction has given, resume this virtual machine. Okay, resume this virtual machine. Click on this.
Yes, ma'am.
It is getting loaded. One second.
Yes, ma'am.
If you will create other options, no, the software will get locked. This is very powerful software. If you get locked means you can't do anything. So for me it is showing one thing, so I'll just close it. And here, what is that? This is called SAP Easy Access. Okay, and this is known as your T code bar. I'm telling this is third time. So please make a note. You need to type your SPRO. Then you have to click on SAP reference IMG. Okay, once you, I'll send you the steps. Need not to worry about this. SAP reference IMG. Even you can follow the recordings also. After SAP reference IMG, you need to click on enterprise structure. This is called documentations, and this is the triangle you need to click always. It is in like this, and if you click on this it will get opened. Okay, then I'm not doing anything right now. I'll just go back once, again back, and we need to close this software directly. You should not close, students. It will get locked. So you have to go come back, and in SAP Easy Access screen, you need to click on this and suspend the guest. Once your work has done, once your practice has done, you have to come to the SAP Easy Access screen and you have to suspend the guest. Okay, once you suspend the guest, you will get in ECC Windows Server, and you have to just take the mouse. Automatically this will come to the down. Okay, suppose your mouse is not there, how will close? You take the mouse to the up and touch there, it will visible, then close this, and this is the way. Okay, so this is how to open the software, how to log on this. You need not to log on because already I think password has been set. You just to use the software. Clear? And let's start with the presentations ones. Like, what is enterprise structure? Today we are going to start on this define company. So everyone understood how to open the software, those who have installed? Tomorrow again, once more, I'll show you those who are going to install.
But I'm not able to like log out.
You need not to do log out there. You have to do suspend guest as I shown you.
I got it till the entrepreneur something. Till there I did it, and then when I clicked on back, it's like a blank screen now.
Send the screenshot in the group. I'll be seeing that. Because it's a very simple procedure. They admin will not tell to log on log out because it will be getting logged, because in my software also it is already said I have to just use and suspend the guest. Can you send a screenshot in the group so I'll be getting to know where is the mistakes? Take a picture and send in the group so I'll get to know that.
Mom, I'm actually doing it in my laptop. Can I send it in the group? The WhatsApp.
Yeah, WhatsApp group only I'm telling. In
Okay.
WhatsApp group you send so I can help you out on that. You have clicked, I think, open virtual machines. So you need not to do. Uh, how the screen is displaying for you? For in nice operator not displaying because it already said. Okay, click on open virtual machine.
Okay,
Open
mom.
this virtual machine. Then send a screenshot. I'll help you. Asha, one thing we can share the screen. I'll stop the share. One second. How to share the screen? Okay, send. You have to open one virtual machine because students is already in set. Power on power off is displaying for you. Why it is displaying like this? One second. Just a minute. Because if you do like this, it will ask you the password. Uh, just a second. Stay online, students. What is that? It is not coming. Okay, one second. One second. Hello, students. Are you able to hear? Hello, students. Okay, so I'm going to do from the beginning. So here we have a power off. I should click on this third. Click on this last button. ऐसा नहीं करना था मतलब पहले से ही सब ये सब पढ़ा हुआ हो गया ये हाँ ना मैं पढ़ा गया see your control alt delete you have to do then escape you will get this screen then here the password is India 123 so you can select any options here I'll take stop this error click on OK and it is displaying here so this is called your
Ma'am, when I did the control plus alt plus delete, I'm getting three
control alt
options.
delete then you can
I'm
get this
logs which user
yeah class.
change a password and then task manager.
You do escape so
Mm,
please contact the system admin this is the system configurations and all
No, there's no option called escape. There's the logs which user signer change
no
password.
escape options won't be there from keyboard you have to press escape
Okay. Yeah.
how to share the screen so you got this I can share the screen share means if I stop then I will okay well after the class you can contact with the system admin they will be next time आपको वाटर double click on SAP management console just right click on the start and here you have to give students will power off. They don't know how to. But did you said like this, no? No, पहले इसलिए बोल रहे हैं एक बार तुम दिखाना पड़ेगा सेक्टर से दिखाते हैं ये साल भर में कभी नहीं पढ़ाते हैं ना मैं पढ़ा पढ़ा के भूल गया ये अभी तो प्रोसेस सारा ऑप्शन सेम है बट दिस वे इज डिफरेंट how to भी पावर करते वो स्टूडेंट बाई चांस जब क्या करना हो अभी आप और क्या वो तो सॉफ्टवेयर में ही एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं क्लासरूम में ये दिखाई दे एक बार दे विल डू वीडियो देख के करते हैं पासवर्ड यूजर नेम क्या है छोटी ये सुन ना अभी क्या करना बोलो when when it come green सब लोग क्लिक करने के लिए so double click on the snap logon once it's get that time it is in all so you are able to see that screen hello okay so once it is getting loaded then you have to double click on SAP logon
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand. see this SAP logon procedure is displaying I'll on off once again and we'll get to know that so here this username is SAP user password is India 123 India @12345 language is EN
Speak to sir. Sir is not speaking, sir. He is not speaking. He is not telling.
Hello?
Hello? Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes, sir.
मेरे लैपटॉप का इंस्टॉल किया था अब मैं स्कूल डाउन दी क्लास को स्टॉप किए तो
Hello? Hello? Hello, students. So, I'm going to show you once again how to do this power on, power off. So, please be see here and just check it out. So, here is the software. I'm going to do power off. Okay. So, this I'm going to do power off. And here is this virtual machine. So, you will get the screen like this, and you have to click on this, and let's power on once again. See, if it is screen is displaying like this, then you are closing. Okay, so double click on the software. I'm going to do power on, and from the beginning I'll show you once. See, See, the screen is displaying like that. So what you will do in
It's
that
showing
case,
some
you have to
on the
do,
screen.
you are getting the screen, right?
Getting white screen and there's
So open
written
virtual machine.
console road and SAP system PC.
Yes, you are getting like this. No. Yes, you are getting like this screen. I'm from beginning I'm telling once again. Okay. So the software open like that. It is very important things to know. And we have to do power on. Okay. When you click on this power on, so it is getting loading on this. Open virtual machine you should click, and now it is getting loaded. I'll tell you the full procedure today. This particular things I'll solve. Then we'll go to the another topic.
Ma'am, I've sent a picture in the group. Can you please see and let me know what do I do now?
One second, I'll check it out. Okay, so one second. This link is displaying. Okay, so in this green button is displaying. No, I'll show you. Let's see our class. You will get to know all these things. All procedure I'm going to do now. See, this screen someone has sent. The screen is displaying. Okay, so what you have to do? Control, Alter, Delete. Then you have to do Escape. Control, Alter, Delete. Escape once. So it will get loading. One second. It's not take. One second. So you have to click here.
तुम क्या करती है?
It's not coming.
आपको जब फोन कर लिया तो तब से टिकट ये ऑर्डर किया
So here the screen escape after this. It will come India 1, 2, 3. Okay. Click on. Okay. So here we need to select any of the options. Click on OK. So this screen will open. Okay. After this, one student has sent SAP Management Console. So this ECC, you have to click on start. Okay. Here the password also India 123. Once you click on this,
Then after
it will
doing
show the someone has sent it become green. Once it is become green, I'll show you the next one. So it is getting yellow, then it will become green.
after doing Control Alt plus Delete, it's showing some options. Can you tell which
That
can
is
we choose?
escape. Escape you have to press.
Okay.
Then you will get one more screen, that is ED something display. So you have to give the password there. India 123.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
but for
after
me,
pressing escape, it is coming to the coming back to the same slide, ma'am. Like
Same page,
control
ma'am,
plus control.
where it is
Yeah,
showing that press Control Alt and Delete to begin.
No
ma'am, for
issues. You one more time you press escape.
ma'am, for me, it did not show anything when I pressed Alt plus Control plus Delete, and then ESC. I got something like Windows, and then I didn't have to log in. Automatically, some white screen came.
Okay, let me check it. This is getting loading. So once it is become green and we can do the zap. I'll check it out once. But password you should remember that password if you will give wrong then it will
Ma'am,
get logged.
ask any login this thing automatic, like it showed some windows something, and then within 2 seconds some white screen came with some ECC something which is green and
See this white screen, yes. So
yes.
this will come and actually it is run now. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll minimize this SAP logon. So double click on SAP logon. Today this particular things I will solve. Then I'll go to the another steps now because this is the complicated steps. So click on logon.
Ma'am, I have shared the screen. Can you just tell what to do after that?
Why this is coming for you so much? Yes, India 123 is the password. In this screen you have to give India's 123. I'm not getting your things. Okay, once it is getting logged on, this says you select any of the options. Select any options. Click OK. Okay, after this you can see on the screen. I'll not see the message. Now you can see on the screen. So SAP user, you see the screen, you will get to know. So password is India 12345. This is EN. Okay, here the password is I'll just give India at the rate 12345. Okay, so this is the opening of the software. So it's getting loaded. It will take time to load on this. After this, we'll start with some theories. This particular things I'll show you tomorrow also.
Ma'am, mine fully it went off, ma'am. It like got suspended now.
See, I shown you. You see the video. If I'll concentrate on the WhatsApp, I'll not be able to solve your problems. Okay, so I'll take this today. Once more, I'll show you tomorrow also. You need not to worry about this.
Ma'am, do
I
you
can
have
show you once.
can refer to, or will you send it in the group?
What is that? Like?
Is there any video we can refer to?
Yeah, that only it's recordings. If you see properly, you will get to know. There is no such video. My class is only getting recorded, so
Okay, ma'am.
I'll show you that. Okay, so you can refer whatever's done, and I'll give you the admin's number in the group. Any technical problems, please contact him. He will get to know that. Okay,
Okay.
so let's start with little our topic today. Even before ending the sessions, also I'll show you once again power on, power off. Clear? So let's start with the enterprise structure. The enterprise structure of a company, you can make a note on the students. Let's start our topic today a little bit, and this procedure I'll be showing in all the classes. Like this power on, power off, hardly 2-3 days I'll be showing you. Those who have going to install tomorrow, they will also get to know that. And those who have already installed also, you can rectify if an error is there. You can get, I will send the numbers of these technicians, the sir who has come to install. Okay, so no issues, we'll be solving that one, and we can continue our classes. So the enterprise structure of a company is mapped to SAP applications using organizational units. Organizational units represents the enterprise structures in terms of legal business related purposes. Even you see the recordings also, you will find out the solution. Organizational units includes legal companies entities, plants, storage locations, sales offices and profit centers. Now first task we are going to do define company. Now see, in a companies there are different codes will be there. If I'll take an example of Tata Group of Company, Tata Group of Company has a different company codes. Like I'll take Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Shop, anything is there. So that will be considered as a company code. Even I want to show you one structure here. Sales organizations, these are different departments, plants, storage and locations, warehouses, distribute channels, sales offices, store groups, sales group, all this thing is there. So this is the, what I am saying, your business area will be there. Like the Tata Group of companies, suppose it is in Bangalore, it is in Hyderabad, it is in Kolkata. So all these places is known as business area. So company clients, company code, financial management area, controlling area, plant warehouses, and sales organizations. So your credit control area, distribution channels, division, sales area, sales office and sales group. These all the things are there. Okay. One example I have taken students here, like company. Company ABC group of companies. Company code is like ABC Apparel in France. France is your business area. ABC Shoes in UK, ABC Service in Canada, ABC Apparel in US, ABC Commerce in JP. So these are the things are there. Okay. So I'm going to do SAP FI organization structures, define company OX15. This is known as transactions code. How we are using in MS Office, those who know, like what is the shortcut keys? Like here we are telling transactions code. This particular things I am going to teach today. Even at last, I will show you once again about how to on up the softwares and how to work on this. Tomorrow also I'll show you once again. So you need not to worry about that. Clear? So what is a company? A company is the organizational units in SAP FI for which you can draw individual financial statements according to the legal requirements. So what do you mean by company? It's a legal entity, we can say. Okay. A company is the organizational units in SAP FI for which you can draw individual financial statements according to the legal requirements of the country where it's incorporated. You can designate legally independent branches as companies and join them together as legal units. Clear? So, next word is that company code. So let's start with the company creations. Okay, so this is the T code bar where we have to do SPRO, and we have to go to the SAP reference IMG. Okay, so here we have a enterprise structure. So definition, financial accounting. What is that? So we need to create a company here. So define company. Okay, so define, then we have to click on new entries. So what is that? Suppose I am giving a TA25. Okay, so I'll give your Tata group of company, Tata group of company 25. Okay, मिनिमाइज मत करो. Okay, so I'll show you once again how to create company. Okay, now see here. There is this some internet was fluctuating, so I'll show you once again. Okay, let's back once. We are on this particular screen. So go to the SPRO, SAP reference summary, then enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Okay, let's create one more new company. Screen is visible, students? If the screen is visible, okay. So see here, one more time I'm going to show you. Click on new entries. Once you click on new entries, I'll give TA, let's take 26. Okay, so Tata Group of Company 26. Here I'll give postal code 560011. City is Bangalore. Country India. Language key EN, and this is INR. Okay. So after filling all these things, you need to click on save. So this is different previous company. You need to click on own request. So click create request. So what I'll create here, Tata Group of Company, Tata Group of Company 26. Okay. After this, you need to click on save and save. Clear? Anyone has any doubts? You are able to see? Put your response if you are able to understand little bit company creations. Again, I'll show you once again today how to open the software, and tomorrow also I'll show you once. It's a new software, so I'll be telling that. So company creation, you understood? Yes, students, company creations. Okay, so I will show you once again. Okay, see here. Screen is only we are not able to access. Screen is not visible. Yes, after that log on things don't know what to show. Okay, so log on, I will show you once again, but let's continue this. I'll show you once again how to log on and log off. Okay, so see here, this is companies I have created. So back, again go to the back screen. Okay, so once it is done, back once again, so you will be in this screen. So how to open that again? SPRO. After logon, okay, you have to give the username password. Someone has asked me after logon what to do. After SAP logon, you need to click on this. After SAP logon, someone has asked. After the login things, what you need to do? You have to give the username and password. You have to wait for that. Once you click on SAP logon, and you have to give username I'm giving username SAP USER. So this is the SAP user, and password is like India at the rate 12345. Okay, so this you have to give.
Can you repeat the username and password?
Username is SAP user, all are in small letters. Password is India at the rate 12345. But first time when you are giving in SAP management console, that is India 123. This is in the logon screen. Okay, so this password, this is for logon screen only. Okay, so this is for logon screen. The first screen for management console, you have to use India 123. That ECD, ME it is displaying. No, that time you have to give India 123, and this is for SAP logon. Okay, so that is the things. Again, I want to create one company code. Now, how to do company code? What is the company code? Let's explain this is. Don't worry, I'll show the all the steps and I'll send you in the notes also how to do that. Okay, so company code, the company code is the central organizational units of external accounting within the SAP system. You must define at least one company code before implementing the financial accounting components. The business transactions relevant for financial accounting are entered, saved, and evaluated at company code level. So company code, as I told you, company is data group of company. So one company can have multiple company code. Okay. So just like Tata shoes, just like ABC apparel. Okay. So that all of things will be there. So now I'm going to show you SAP reference ING. Let's take enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting. We have called edit, copy, delete, company, check company code. So here the third options you need to click. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on this and double click on edit company code data. Okay. Once you double click on edit company code data, you will get one more screen here. So click on new entries. So company I have given 6 digit, like 4 alpha 2 numeric. Company code I'll be giving 4 digits. So TA25. Let's take TA25. I created one company, Tata Group of Company. Tata Group of Company 25. This also I created first time. Then city is Bangalore and country is India. Currency is INR and language is EN. Okay. After this, you need to click on save. If you want, students, you can write the notes here. Company code TA25. Company name will be Tata Group of Company 25. City is Bangalore. Country India. Currency INR. Language key EN. So click on the save button. Okay, so you will get one more screen here. So select the company here, Tata Group of Company. Of Company 25, and here we have to give postal code 560011 and city is Bangalore. Okay, country I'll be taking IN, reason is 10. So that much you need to fill and click on this tick mark. Language is already set. You need to click on this. So your green tick mark option is there. You can select and 26. Now I am doing on 25. So you need to click on this and you can select Tata Group of Company 25 and save this. This is the company code creations here. Okay. So like this we can create company code. Okay. So to check the positions we can do double click on company code data, click on check positions. I'll give TA25. So it has been created. For checking, you can do positions. Now, the last topic today, I'm going to teach you assignment. After this, again I'll show you how to log on and log out. So this is assignment. In the assignments, go to the financial accounting, and this company code to company we have to assign. So here enterprise structure, then we can close the definitions, assignments, then assign company code to company. This is the, then you have to click on position. Company code is TA25, and now I am going to click here TA 25. Okay, after this click on save. So these are the things are here. Okay, save. Next, what we need to do, go back once. So here I am going to show you once again how to power on and power off. Okay, students, till this you understood? Have you understood, students, how to create company and how to create company code and how to assign? Okay, so again I am going to show you that from the beginning once, because okay, so let's start from once more. So close this, and I'm going to show you once again how to power on, power off. So you can go to the back, again back. So here we have options called power off. Okay, so once I click on this power off, I'll show you from the beginning once. Every students you see once here. So I have closed totally the software. You need to click on this. Okay, so you need to click on this power on. So how to do power on? Everyone see properly. Okay, once you click on power on, so it's loading this Windows server. So you will get the screen where we have to put the password. Okay, so we have to press Control Alter Delete. So escape. Sorry, Control Alter. Now it's came. Two times if we do, the screen will come. And here you have to give India 1, 2, 3. Students, you can write in this particular screen, you have to give India 1, 2, 3. ECCADM is there. No, Here you have to give India 123. Click on OK and select this system value stop. Any of the options start. Here we can give same India 123. India 123. Click on OK. Now this gray color, it will become yellow, then it will become green. So it will take few times, need not to hurry up. So this is GCC, that where is the data is getting saved actually. So once this it will become green, then you can minimize this. Then someone has clicked on the SAP logon and you have to give the password there. Okay, so now it has become green. So I'll minimize this, double click on SAP logon. So username and password I'm giving. So username will be SAP user and password will be India @12345. Okay, so I need to click on SAP logon. Wait for a few minutes, it will take time to get it. So it is based on little bit internet. So your connections, see the detail. Click on no. So here again I'll click on this. Sometime due to the internet, it is based on the internet little. So if your internet is little slower, then it will show. Okay, now it is the screen is displaying students. So I'll just put the screen SAP user @12345. Then language is EN. Press enter. So it is getting loaded. You just to do once again, close this SAP logon and do once again. So you close the screen, that dialog box, and click on logon once again. Connections you have to power off once again. So do power on, power off once again. Okay, so this is the screen. Yes, correct. So here what you have to do, you have to click on, right click on this GECC6. Okay, so in this ECC, right click on that. Right click on the ECC. Okay, right click on the ECC, click on start. This is technical. So give password. Yes, yes, yes. Type password 123. Type password India 123. Type password India 123. Okay, good. Now you got the screen. Send me the screenshot of the screen you are getting. So please contact with the system admin once. This is right click on the ECC, click on right click on the ECC, left side it is there. It's showing yellow. Yes, wait for a few minutes, don't touch. It will become green. It will become green. Once you will become green, then you tell me. Okay, once it become green, then what you need to do, you have to minimize this and you have to click on SAP manage. You have to click on SAP log on. Yes. So after this, you click on minimize the screen. You can see the recordings what I have done also. Yes, just minimize the screen. In the right side, one minimize button will be there in the top, and you will get that picture screen. Yes, correct. So now you will click on this log on, and one password I have given, you have to type this. Which password? This password. Wait, I'll show you. I have sent just now. You have got this? Okay. Password, that main screen will come. No, that it will it will respond. It will take time. For me also, it will take time. It is based on your internet. So just wait for a few minutes. One screen will come. I have shown the screen. There you need to type. So you will get SAP log on the screen. You will get it. Then you can give this one SAP user and password. Okay, so these are the procedure, students. I will show you tomorrow once again, those who are going to install tomorrow. Please install as soon as possible. We have a lot of times to
Ma'am,
do
for me
this.
now it's like a black screen. I've sent you the picture in the photo when I opened the.
Black screen means you have to contact with the admin. No? So because this I can tell you, but black it is displaying means that means there is some other error. You contact admin sir.
Hey, ma'am,
This
I've
is
sent you
there.
again. Can you please check once, like if I have to contact him or not?
This is
Or
to, you have to contact power off. You have to do power on in that. So you this in this case you have to contact with the system admin.
okay, ma'am.
So those who have installed now, who has installed today the software, you can contact with him. I'll forward the number in the group. Again the okay, we'll check it tomorrow, students. So class I am winding up now, and I'll show you once again the power on, power off, and we'll be creating one more new company. So again, I'll show that. No issues for that. It's a new software. I can understand. To it is little complicated. I'll show you once again. Okay. So let's wind up the sessions today. Go through the videos, recordings, and these recordings will be sending you by tomorrow. Check with that. I have shown. Still, you have a technical error issues, means please contact system admin. Number I'll forward in the group. Okay. So that's all for the day, students. We'll wind up now. We'll continue on tomorrow 6 o'clock.